Today I want to show you how to cut in After Effects. Alright, to begin I just added a video clip to my timeline. First move the playhead to where you like to cut your clip. It is very easy to do. Go up to edit and click on split layer to make a split at the playhead's position. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D to make cuts. For more precise movements, use the page up and page down keys on your keyboard to move the playhead one frame at a time. Okay, here's another fast way to cut your clips. Move the playhead to where you like to make the trim. Then move your mouse cursor over the clip's edge. That turns into a double arrow and drag it to the playhead's position. An even easier way to trim is move the playhead into position. You have also the right bracket keyboard shortcut to trim the end of the clip. And use the Alt left bracket keyboard shortcut to automatically trim the beginning of the clip to that position. This is all what you need to know about cutting in After Effects. Thanks for watching this video.